Are you looking for country living without leaving convenience behind? We have a fabulous home for you today. It is a raised bungalow on a massive 16-acre lot. Stick with us to find out why this is one of the most versatile opportunities in Clarence-Rockland. Okay, so what makes this new listing stand out? Well, there's three things. First of all, it's a beautiful raised bungalow with over 1,700 square feet of space above grade. Second of all, it's the massive lot. 16 acres gives you all kinds of versatility, whether you want to have a hobby farm or simply live out without being close to your neighbors. And number three is the location. It's situated between Rockland and Ottawa, and it's not too far from either, but gives you enough separation to feel like you're out in the country. Before we take you through the rest of this home, let's have Kareem tell you a little bit about this wonderful area.
We're in Clarence-Rockland, just east of Ottawa, a growing bilingual community where rural charm meets small town amenities. You'll find a mix of custom homes and farmland here. Schools nearby include Rockland Public School, Carrefour Jeunesse, L'Escale, and Rockland District High School. For recreation, you've got Dalrymple Park, La Villette Park, and even a local rink, all within minutes. Whether you're commuting or retiring, this neighborhood balances quiet living with great access.
This customly designed bungalow was built in 2011 and features 1,740 square feet of living space above grade with a partially finished basement that follows the same footprint. The main floor layout features maple hardwood flooring, a great room, a chef's kitchen, and a large primary bedroom with a walk-in closet. Natural light floods the main level through all of the windows, giving a warm and inviting atmosphere.
Outside, you've got room to roam. You've got double car garage and tons of driveway space. Beyond that, you've got 16 acres of space here. Plenty of private trails, space to enjoy with your family. That's all yours.
One of my favorite features of this home is how move-in ready it is. Every system from roof to windows to furnace has been well maintained since construction.
Another key feature, this home is perfect for multi-generational living or future development. It has a large basement with a separate entrance to the garage. To see the floor plans, pre-list home inspection, 3D tour, and more, visit us at nickvanetis.ca.
Are you looking for privacy, space, and a beautiful home? 401 Baseline Road might be perfect for you. Do you know someone who would love this home? Have them reach out to us or share the video tour, and we'll be happy to help them make their perfect move in Clarence-Rockland. Stick with us to find it. Stick with us. Come on, funditis. Let's get the bifocals in place.
With plenty of private, what's the word for, sorry, trail.